How to create a custom emoji on Mac. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a custom emoji on your Mac. First, open the Messages app and start a new conversation. Next, click the plus button next to the message field and select Stickers. Then, go to Memoji and click the three dots on the left-hand side. From here, select New Memoji to start creating your custom character. You can now customize different features, such as the skin tone, hairstyle, eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth, and other details to create your Memoji. Take your time to customize each option until you're happy with the look. Once you're finished, click Done to save your new Memoji. Your custom emoji will now be available in the Memoji sticker collection, so you can use it in your messages conversations whenever you want. And that's how to create a custom emoji on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials.